Award. And the parent will also receive a certificate of appreciation. Goes to Mrs. Karen Hernani. Another awardee goes to Bolinio Chris Rian. Chris Rian with the award, Handwriting Award, Kinder Body Award. And the parent will also receive a certificate of appreciation. Mrs. Gian S. Pasulo, most supportive parent. Next, we have Kapangpangan Dilan L. Dilan will receive an award, Kinder Body Award, Friendly Neighbor Award. Now, the most supportive parent will also receive to be given to Mrs. Joylyn